Emerald is fundamental to how we distribute our core products. GCC product itself is our core offering. It's the breadth and depth of what we have and our expertise from the region. Emerald itself allows us to connect with customers in regions perhaps where we haven't got a physical presence. It also allows us to transact 24/7, some things that most banks can't do. Strategy for me is a fantastic concept. Much like most banks, we set out on a journey 2 or 3 years ago to build something compelling, something the customers wanted, something to keep us relevant in this evolving market. However, we're at a blank canvas. We built something from the bottom up. So strategically, it was about the return on investment and also meeting the customer demands. Where we are now though, we've integrated the platform fully end to end with the bank. So this is our retail foreign exchange, this is our online banking, this is our remittance business, our payments flows, all the way through private banking and wealth management. And of course, not forgetting where we work, our core wholesale market clients. The best strategy for Emerald is driven by our customers today. It's what they want to see. It's how they want to execute, whether it be execution hedges or transactional foreign exchange. It's what the customer demands. So we have to get inside their heads and find out what they want from an execution experience. And like we said before at NBAD, the customer experience is second to none for us. I think the growth is huge. I mean, we're relatively small right now where we are today. We have breadth and depth in our currency expertise, but people want that. There are trade lines here between East and West. There are trade lines here globally. The merger of the two banks. We're growing competitively, but I don't see us setting up 10,000 offices around the world where people are physically located. So on that basis, Emerald will connect to distribution channels. It will be given to customers who want to access it where we're not physically located. And it also helps us follow the sun. So when we're in bed and we're trying to get some sleep, Emerald's available for people. I guess I'd say why not? If you want to be relevant in this space these days, you have to give the solutions to the customer they want. It's customer demand. Customers are faced with the same things we are as institutions. Regulation, transparency in pricing, best execution hedge, mid-pricing. We have to do the same things as customers do. So as much as we like to chat and we want to chat to our customers, they don't always want to chat to us. They're forced to actually go online for that. One thing e-commerce brings with Emerald itself is streamline efficiencies. It reduces operational processing errors. So customers experience the same for that. So if we can connect them directly with Emerald and they can have an actual audit trail of what they've done, it suits everyone across the board. So if you look at where we're located geographically, we have the fantastic privilege of looking at most of the trading day in Asia and most of the trading day in Europe and the Americas. That itself is something quite exceptional because you pick up fantastic trade lines. The GCC states themselves have deep relationships about bringing the East and the West together. If you look at Abu Dhabi, it wants to be relevant, it's driving it. If you take a look at people coming through here, just the tourist industry, that alone, they come and they demand and expect a certain level of service. That's not actually different for anywhere in the world. But if you're going to come to the region, you want to be up on the times. That's smartphone, that's easy access to payments. It's the services you're going to expect when you're here. Metros, those kind of things. So Abu Dhabi is at the forefront of actually sponsoring some innovative summits. They want to bring here a fintech evolution space with a tax-free jurisdiction. Abu Dhabi itself is attracting fintech startups. It's actually investing and supporting in fintech innovation centres, centres of excellence. They're sponsoring people to come over and build these. Someone like NBAD, with Emerald, we can be at the forefront of that and capturing that flow. With our iBanking platform, our transactional FX platform, our GTB world, we actually have a load of innovative solutions. We're even picking up on blockchain payments today as well, because that's how people across the world want to pick up. So in line with Abu Dhabi, in line with the Gulf states, this is where we need to be. If we're not, we're going to bypass us and the West is going to talk to the East and we won't be relevant anymore.